Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily DVAR, and here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Tuesday, 23rd day of November. Here we go. One more halacha on yesterday's topic, and that was the absolute best way to place a menorah, if it is possible, is to put it in front of your doorway, and that's because it is very noticeable then that you're doing it for the mitzvah of Hanukkah. We did discuss yesterday that a lot of times people can't do it that way because of weather or thieves or stuff like that, but if possible, the doorway is best. Now let's continue on that point. If you are going to put it in front of your doorway, it should be very close to the doorway, like within inches of the doorway, because halachically it's considered like not so noticeable. If you put it out, let's say 10 feet in front of your doorway, no one's going to exactly know that it's there for Hanukkah purposes. When it's right at the doorway, it becomes much more clear what it is that's happening. Also, when you're placing it at the doorpost, you should choose the doorpost that's opposite the mezuzah. So if there's a mezuzah on the right side going in, this would be on the left side going in, so that way it makes for a beautiful scenario where you are surrounded by mitzvos. Mezuzah on the right, doorpost on the left as you enter the building. If for whatever reason it could happen that there's no mezuzah on the doorpost, then you would move the menorah over to the right side where the mezuzah should have been. And the reason for that, the reason we put the menorah there is because, first of all, right in halacha is always considered more chashav, more important. That doesn't mean lefties are bad people, no, seriously, but the right is always given prominence in Jewish halacha. And secondly, it is considered more noticeable as you walk in. If the menorah is on your right, you'll be more apt to spot it. But I will repeat again that you don't have to put it at your doorway. This is just what you do if you have an optimum chance of doing it in the absolute best way. And then don't place it too high either. It should be just kind of like at like the batter's box kind of space, the middle of your person, so as you walk by you see it, and it does not look like a light because it's not overhead. It becomes very obvious that it's placed there for Persumei Nisa, which means broadcasting the miracle. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.